I need to go get Tavania. I totally forgot that I'm not picking him up at the bus stop. I need to go.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Good morning. Welcome back to another KeneishaSays, guys. It's Wednesday. We're gonna do another daily vlog today. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share the video, and comment on the comment section. I specifically want you to know that today is Wednesday because I started my gym journey as of Monday. And obviously I'm not going to the gym today, but I want to go this afternoon. I want to go in the evening. Fingers crossed. Well, people, I am sore. I can't even walk. I can't sit down. To get up from sitting down is a problem. To walk is a problem. It is. I'm in so much pain.
This is not a test. It's the real deal. Help me. Help me.
I'm in so much pain. Like yesterday after I did my session and I came home, I made a smoothie and I sat down on the stairs. And guys, why I couldn't get up back? I couldn't get up. Like, I couldn't get up. And from there, so it was downhill from there. Like, So, I kind of make up my mind, so I'm not gonna go to the gym today because if I'm hurting this much, what is gonna happen when I have to go to work on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? Because it really hurts. It's so bad that I had to take two Tylenol last night. That's how bad it hurts. Anyhow, it's gonna be a productive day today because I have nail appointments and I have Tristan has like a soccer practice thing, so I have to go pick him up. He does it every Wednesday, so I have to go pick him up. So I have to pick up Tavania early so he can play and then grab him afterwards. So I need to go home. I finished editing the video last night. As a matter of fact, I'm working on 2 hours of sleep. I fell asleep almost like 4 o'clock this morning because I was up, finished editing the video, the gym video that you guys should actually have already seen. I was up doing that, and for some reason, like I wasn't really tired. I don't know if it was a pre-workout or I don't know, but I still had like a boost of energy. It's just that I was in so much pain. That was the only problem. But I fell asleep. I'm not even like super tired right now either. To say that I'm going after 2 hours. You know what I mean? I'm not even like, oh my god, I need to go sleep. I still have some energy in me. So I am actually running towards Target right now to grab some wipes and some disinfectant wipes and facial wipes as well. And then we're gonna go back home. I want to go post the video. I actually left it for it to upload because I know that sometimes takes a while. So I left it to be uploaded. I'm gonna finish doing laundry. I started laundry yesterday. I want to see if I can finish doing that. My appointment is at 11:15. It is now 9:23. So let's see how that's gonna work out. Hopefully I can reach there on time. My aim originally was to go directly to the gym and then leave from there and go to the nail tech. And then from the nail tech, you know, I go home, do what I need to do, and then go grab the kids. Because I'm cooking up food last night, so I wouldn't have to cook today. Anyhow, with the pain I feel this morning, I'm like, that maybe not gonna make no sense. So I'm gonna end up thinking that, you know, maybe it's a better idea if I go this evening. If I don't go this evening, I'm gonna go first thing. I have an appointment tomorrow, to have a dental appointment tomorrow. But the thing is, I don't want to leave. I don't want to just do 2 days and stop. So if I don't go this, I have Tavania here to watch this evening because I still didn't get to watch her here yet. So it's a very, very productive day today, and I'm gonna take you guys through everything today. So let's see. I'm almost here at Target. I'll show you guys what I get. So I am here at Target. So let me just see. Alright, so let me let them know that I am here. so I can get my stuff. Because guys, you know I'm gonna go inside. Anything to make my life easier. So yeah. It's raining today, by the way. It's a nice temperature. Everything's start going up into the 70s right now, but it is raining. Not like brutally rain, but it's raining. So I'm gonna go home right now and make a smoothie, upload a video, and fold up them clothes there. Put some more clothes to wash. Get ready for going on appointments. Come.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. Yes, sir. Alright, so pack of wipes, disinfectant wipes. This is a pack of 4 with 300, no, with 75 each. And then, guys, my new favorite thing. Why nobody never told me about this? Why? Can you see it? But I can't see it. But let me tell you something. These are my new best friend. So I normally use the liquid, right? Out of the bottle. And use the sponge. I mean, I would run up and don't forget the sponge. But like this, your best friend, I have to have them in the house. I have to have them in the house. That is for my face. It's just, I can only use Simple Brand because when it comes down to those things, because my face is just so sensitive to everything. But instead of getting the liquid, I figure bada with finding sponge and whatever. Like that. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. So anywho, I'm heading home now. So I'll see you when I get home. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm gonna make that smoothie right now. Why all of a sudden I reach home and I just start feel lazy. I start feel lazy. But I'm gonna make that smoothie now and go start folding up some clothes, upload a video and stuff like that. So yeah. Today I'm using banana. I have some frozen peach slices. I have some tropical fruits I have in here: pineapple, strawberries, mangoes. And then this is some original almond milk. So we're heading to the office to go finish uploading that video. Guys, watch out. Still didn't get a chance to start them out yet. That's from the last haul that you saw. I know it's bad. It's so painful. So painful to do anything. My leg hurts just even to sit. So this battery just died. Plug this into charge. Alright, so let's see if there's any copyright on here. That's why I left it, just in case. Copyright. Let's see what I'm saying copyright now. That's what I can do with you. Let's go that. Okay. So this one is a lot. Oh, so this is just this. Okay. That first part of the video. I'm gonna change that. Let's see what she in there. I'm gonna edit this or up and done. Alright guys, so I think I fixed it. I just edited those sections and I'm trying to download it one more time so I can actually upload it back to YouTube. But it's now 10:15, so I don't even know if I'm gonna have that much time to get everything done because I need to go take a shower so I can actually go to my nail appointment right now. The time just got moved, so like, anyhow, I haven't folded clothes yet. I haven't folded clothes yet. I haven't done anything else laundry related, and the time just gone. The time is gone. Like, anywho, let's see what we can make of this. Alright guys, I am here. I am ready. I'm actually heading to the hairdresser right now. I'm running late as usual. So you guys are not even up on the dashboard right now. You guys are on the stand in my hand. And I just wanted to let you know that I am running late. I am literally 5 minutes late, and I'm 50 minutes away. I'm working on it. But I'm on my way to the hairdresser now. When I'm to the nail salon now. And when I'm finished, I'll definitely show you what I'm looking like. I'm not going to be taking you guys inside, so I will see you when I get back. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm done with Linda. I was very late. I was like 20 minutes late. But I'm done with the nails. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm done here, so I'm gonna head home right now. And what time is it? It's actually 5 minutes to 1 o'clock. So I'm still on time in terms of I can go home, finish the laundry, and get something to eat. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay. Alright guys, I'm still home. Just uploaded a video. Haven't really done anything, to be honest, which is bad. Anyway, some Amazon package just came and I wanted to show you guys before I go on the road to go pick up the kids. And then we can come back and do the laundry. Hopefully, Lord Jesus. I don't think I'm going to go to the gym today because it's raining and it's just like gloomy. And I'm in a lot of pain. Like, look. Hurting. Hurting. So, let me get this up and film. Make sure. So it's not a lot of stuff. But because I'm doing the daily vlog, I'm like, why not just show y'all? This is my mother's a gift from my husband. Michael Kors sneakers. I love it. Gold and beige looking, or cream. But basically what I have to show you, so that I went shopping. Well, not went shopping. The stuff that the leggings that I could not get in Walmart, I actually went online on Amazon to get that. So, ooh, I love the packaging. So I got a pack of. You remember how expensive it was in Walmart? It was charging like $15 per tights, and I got 5 for like $40 something. So I think that's a win. I have a couple of these already. I had the black one already, so this one come with black. And these have pockets. So you got the black, the gray one, the pink one, the green one, and the blue one. $45. And then the jacket just came. The tights came Tuesday to that Wednesday. The tights came yesterday. And this literally just came. So this is the jacket that I wanted. Something, because you know, like right now, if I was supposed to go to the gym, I wouldn't be able to go in the tank tops that I have because outside is a little bit chilly because it's raining. So I got me this little jacket. little thinner than the one I saw, but I didn't want a thick one. So this is the medium. These are actually medium. They're all medium. Medium in the leggings and medium in the jacket as well. So yeah, it's a good fit, I think. And I wanted to make sure that it had pockets. So this is it. Yeah. What y'all think? It feel nice. Not too tight, not too loose. And last but not least, guys, until spring is springing, and from last year I'm supposed to finish up my outside porch area. It still hasn't been done yet. So I was adamant that it has to be done ASAP. I'm gonna wait till it reach summer, because by that time I'm not able to actually decorate because it's gonna be so hot now. But no sense, and I want to do the garden. I cannot do the garden, finish the garden or fix about the garden until the staircase is done, because they're gonna mash up everything that I do. So I want to make sure that it's done first. Decorate the porch with all of the stuff that I buy from last year. Hopefully nothing wrong with them, because then I'm gonna have a problem. But that's gonna be done hopefully next week, so you guys stay tuned for that video, and also for the decoration of the porch. Okay, so this, I said all of that to say, I bought a layer. You know, everybody a layer. Yeah, I'm gonna follow fashion. Everybody a layer them rug, them front rug, the mat at the front door, the welcome mat. So this is the layer. I know you guys saw, if you guys remember the mat that I bought. So this is to layer it. It actually was a suggestion with the rug, the mat that I bought. This is so thick and nice, guys. And this is basically match the front door, the hanging sign, something next to my door. So nice. So this is flat black and white. I love it. It's so thick. I don't know if you guys can see. It is so thick. Thick pad. Love it. I hope it fits. Yeah, so that's all I got. That is all I got. Just want to show you guys real quick, because I said it's a productive vlog. Not a lot of production happening. Well, productive things happening, but it seems subtle. So like, you naturally looking at it doesn't make any sense. Because I came home, had a couple calls that I had to make. I had this application form thing that I had to complete, because I have dentist tomorrow that had to be completed before. I can know about them something that like a whole, like an exam. I did that. Download the video again, because you know, so I had to fix it based on the copyright. Upload it. That took a while. And what else did I do? That was it. I came home like after 1. So I did like 2 hours to do everything. Yeah, so now shit, I need to go get Tavania. I totally forgot that I'm not picking him up at the bus stop. I need to go right now. Shit. Guys, oh my god, I just realized it's time past for me to go grab the kids, because I'm actually picking them up from school. Remember I told you that Tristan has soccer practice. Why this feels so tough. Tristan has soccer practice, so when he has soccer practice, I normally go and pick up Tavania directly from the school. So I hope I'm gonna find time when I know I'm late. I'll talk to you guys when I reach at the school. because I'm over late right now, and a valet, and I'm not pay for no extra care thing for her. So, oh my God, my daddy do all for you know, and me putting them to school. That's crazy. Alright, me talk to them when I reach at the school because it's raining and I can't really speed and everything, and the camera is still on the tripod. Alright, okay. Guys, I'm almost at the school. Them just called me a while ago. I guess she's the last one there. I feel so bad. But I told them that I'm literally right here, so we should be good. Oh my God, I can't believe I forgot to pick up my baby. That's so crazy. My dad is showing her. Like, you're right. I told you guys that I had to pick them up, right? But for some reason, it didn't dawn on me like it's after 3. You need to go now. Like, but anywho, I'm almost there. So, yeah. Guys, I have secured the package. Say hello. I was telling everybody that I was running late, guys. As I came, literally, as I pull up, them close the door. Because I know me one late. See, other people still are come. So, see? Other people still there. They come. And for some odd reason, them have Tristan playing in the rain. Like, I don't know if I can see. So I can show him. He's in a grey hoodie right there. I have to tell him to put on his hood. Because, like, why them outside playing in the rain? No one them always are sick. Anywho,
hello guys,
we're here and we're just gonna chill until Tristan is ready. He normally does like an hour, so.
So guys, I'm gonna show my mother what I got for him. Mama, close your eyes. So guys, my mom's closing her eyes. So
hold on, I'm gonna put it before you show me. Let me put you guys up on here.
Guys, so Mama, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, no, nasty.
Never open up. When I tell you to open up, you open up. Guys. Oh, guys. That's what I can see. So, open your eyes.
Oh, it's a concert. Why would I be surprised, Mama? You know it's nasty, man.
Mama,
face. It's kindergarten end of the year picnic and music concerts. To celebrate here. Let me clean that. Look in the mirror. No, what I do? Let me tell you clean your nose, you don't wipe your mouth.
Because there's boogers on my mouth.
Yo.
I can't. Why do I wipe my boogers? On me.
Yeah, them, me don't need to. I need to come and, me forget Tristan. There's no way Tristan up playing in the rain to get sick. Oh, no way. No way. I can't. I gotta go up on the field now. Yeah, I know. Someone stay in the car. Don't move. You hear?
Okay. Mama! No way, guys. So my mother's going in now. It's so surprising. There's no way. I can tell her name in 3, 2, 1. Mama! Mama! What are you doing? It's literally coming! Mama!
Why are you shouting? Like you're crazy, like them have. Look how rain a fall. Look how what's up. And them have just about changing shoes for go up on the field. You're crazy. Look when they put them up. You must be sick in your head. So I'm gonna grab him at the front. Tamania.
Yeah?
I don't even want to take you out in the rain. Guys, I'm gonna grab him. I tell you if I go get him bag and stuff and meet me at the front because that's where my phone there. I tell you if I come outside because I can't lift it back in the car if I go inside. I could see you when I was over there, but I can't see if I go inside. Are you crazy? I haven't been in the rain. I play a ball. Like when we do Jamaican, them play a ball rain or whatever, rain ball. I get it, but Tristan is always sick. Like he always have a cold. There's no way. You crazy. The rain a fall, come here with up. I'm putting it out there to play ball. You feel me what?
Yeah, it's cute a little bit.
Sick.
Can you help me?
Yeah, me, mama. Oh, nice to call Tristan. You crazy, man.
Crazy money.
Catch them over there to play in the rain.
No money.
And the man will cover up in him have on hat and everything, you know, perfume head. And he put them that have on nothing on their head. Tristan, come on and turn on that. Tristan.
Yeah.
I can't leave Tavania back in the car and I don't want to take her back out in the rain. Just tell him that I'm outside right here waiting for you. At the gym area. And you just come out and come to me. Just tell Gina, or you want me to call Gina right now? Let me call Gina. Go over there to her.
What kind of game? It's simple, son. If you beat me in rock, paper, scissors, I will give you so much money.
Tristan,
Hey boy, how we gonna
give Gina the phone. Let me talk to her.
How we gonna tell which one it is?
Miss Johnson, my mom wants to talk to you.
Time. It's gonna be number time.
Hi, it's Gina.
Hey Gina, it's Keneisha. I'm taking Tristan because they have him outside playing in the rain and he's always sick. So I'm out here with Tavania and I don't want to leave her in the car because it's raining. I don't want to take her back out. I'm right here at the gym area. Can you just have Tristan just come out? I'm right here waiting for him.
You're in the car line?
I'm in the car line, yeah.
Okay, I can walk him out this one time, but normally we would need to come to the door.
No, I know. It's just because I don't want to take Tavania back out in the rain. I appreciate you though. Thank you so much. Okay.
Mr. have you gone to Soccer Club yet? I was outside. Did you tell them that you were mommy was going to have you come? My mom actually. So like Mr. Rundick knows, right? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, that's all I need to say.
Alright, Tristan. My old Tristan.
Okay.
Tiffany, you don't work yourself front and back because Tristan not coming. Alright?
Wow.
Come. Your shoes wet? Take off your shoes.
No, it's not wet.
Come.
It's not.
Right here.
It's there.
One run right back.
Thank you.
In a rain, you're sick in your head. Look how you realize how cover him big.
I was actually looking forward to playing today, and I had cold water and everything.
Oh, not end of the rain. Sorry, baby. The end of the rain. Because at the end of you see how him have on his hat and his hoodie and say, he just took off the hood off my head. That's crazy now, baby. I was going to let you play, but when I realized, I thought you guys were going to play maybe in the gym today or something.
No, we can't play in the gym.
Yeah. Just like how your father played in the gym when it snore or
No,
something.
the gym is small.
Oh, well, I can't play in the rain out the door.
Right, this is the whole gym right here.
I can't play in the rain out the door. That means to them. No, you. Maybe if you're nice or sicky. Yeah, later you go, you sneeze. You're there. You're there.
That's natural.
No. All of them think I come sick tomorrow. Sick.
Mama, can you please open this please?
Just not open up your sister. Guys, we don't go home because this. No, sir.
It fell. It's right here.
Crazy. We're gonna finish the matter. Guys, I'm gonna reach out my tattoo in here. Alright guys, so the kids get something to eat and I'm about to start washing Tabania's hair. So, you know, I still not get used to looking for myself in the lens. I keep on looking sideways. I'm getting tired now. I still haven't touched the laundry yet. Tomorrow I have a dental appointment at 2 o'clock. So I feel like tomorrow is when I'm going to use the opportunity to just start do everything. Go to the appointments and then grab the kids from school after 4. So, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, work. And we start it all over again on Monday. I hate to say this because I really don't want to. I'm still in a lot of pain. My legs are really hurting. I really want to jump back into the gym tomorrow. But there is so much stuff that needs to be done. And I feel like as of Monday, if I don't go tomorrow, as of next week, I'm going to start doing it in the afternoon instead of in the mornings. Because I feel like, and I think I'm just going to go to my gym. Maybe I don't hook up with my coworkers anymore. Just because I have to drive so far to go there and then come back. It's just like, by that time, half of the day already gone. And I'm drained. So, early in the morning, go to 1 hour, come back. Or when I get everything done, grab the kids, do everything. When the father come and everything and everybody's settled, then go to the gym, come back, bed, and go relax. Maybe something like that. So, I don't know. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But now I'm going to start I'm going to start washing Tabana's hair. Debbie, come. Unbelievable against me. Alright, you know how this works now. Guys, right here growing back. The part that was chopped off the most was actually at the front. You gotta grow back, but it's not there yet. But the back is still has the back still has its length.
Yeah.
But in the front is where majority of the damage happened. I haven't seen any of the drastic thing that we used to see before, the scab thing. Jump up on the chair. Giovanni, give me this. Jump up. I want to focus. Take off your slippers, man. I'll focus. You know what my feet nose can't see nothing. What take off the nose? Turn around and clean your nose.
Ow!
Hush, hush. Look at this nose and bang your nose. I'm not off your nose, always nasty. You know, if you want to cool around now, so wipe off it. Come turn around. And then you perfect.
That you just sport shampoo in my eyes.
Why would I do that?
Because I don't want to die.
What?
Because I don't want to die.
You don't want to die?
Yes.
Who will die?
Or shampoo in my eyes.
That will die.
Yes. Shampoo makes us eye dark. And you can't see it.
Yeah, she hasn't had anything in her head recently, like I haven't seen anything crazy. But I'm still using the shampoo until I finish.
Oh, it's in my hair. Like my eyes. It's wrong with someone else.
Hey, look, focus. Come on. Relaxing. Relaxing.
I don't even know how to speak Spanish, Mama.
We don't mean enough to speak Spanish. When you
Stop!
enough to speak Spanish.
I don't know how to say any other word.
Which word I can
Gracias.
Really? So count to me here.
Entonces, I only know the
What happened?
I only know how to count
Come.
Spanish numbers
Hold back here.
and gracias and de nada.
So what is red in Spanish?
Woho.
Oh, I thought you didn't know anything else. I thought you didn't know
I only
anything.
know that.
What about blue?
Blue. Azul.
I thought you didn't know anything.
I only know my colors in Spanish. I only know my numbers in Spanish. And I only know gracias and de nada in Spanish.
Really? I don't believe it. What about adios? What does that mean?
Hi.
Adios?
Bye.
Yes.
You see? I said hi. I said a bye.
What is hi? What is hi in Spanish?
I don't know.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo buen?
Wait, that was skinny. That was
En la segundo. Madaridoso.
Fix back yourself, Mama.
One, and I'm about to say one. I'm about to say one. One, and none. About to say one.
I want to get your hair braided one day. A nice style. But you don't want nobody going near your head, so that don't work out. Bring out your hair just so you make them comb your hair and wash your hair.
it's too fast.
No.
So how you will get a nice hairstyle.
I'll be down.
Hmm?
I'll be down.
Yes, so how you, if you don't want them going in your hair, how you don't comb? Huh?
Fine. It's one thing and comb my hair.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That woman can't braid and do all the big styles. So I would want somebody to do that for you. But I'll make sure that I trust the person. I don't want
Only the hairstyle.
the hairstylist, yeah, but I have to trust the hairstylist. Understand?
You trust him to do your hair.
Yeah, but my hairstylist don't do natural hair. Don't do kids' hair. Understand? You'd have to perm.
But do I have a blue one?
You got 3. You got a blue one. I can't find a pink one. That's why I took out the new one. You have a blue one, you have a green one.
I love blue. You come in favorite colors. Pink, green, and blue.
Every color your favorite color.
Because I love the rainbow. Mercy. I love it. Have a break.
Okay.
Are you going to comb my hair now? But can I have a snack break?
You just had a snack break. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish with Savannah here in terms of washing. It's so hard to go up these stairs. Oh my god. So, I am going to blow dry it right now. And I'm not going to do anything fancy in her hair. Just go, give me something suitable for go to school tomorrow.
What are these green things you're doing?
What green things? I wish them paint up on nobody. What green things? Oh, in my face wipes. They're for going to the bathroom.
Face wipes?
I forgot to take them out.
Baby,
Oh my god. Okay, guys, it is now 8:22 to be exact. Okay, and I finished with Tamani here. I was upstairs for like 10 minutes with Tristan playing charades. But I am so beat. I am so tired. My leg them hurt me so bad. I can't even go up and down the stairs. It's crazy. And tell me why. Different story. Why am I over here to eat pork? Why am I going to supermarket and go buy can I go to healthy veggies and there to eat pork since yesterday? I think it's almost my time of the month. So all those cravings are coming. I couldn't resist it. Like I had it yesterday for dinner and I had it today. Why should I come behind me? Why? Anyway, guys, that is it for the vlog today. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment on this video, and share. And until later, tell them
Bye! I forgot to do this.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.